Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add a background on CapCut using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your CapCut. Then just go ahead and import the images or videos that you want. I'm just gonna do this. And so for example, I want this one as a background. Okay. So I'm just gonna drag it until here. And again, the second photo, I want to drag it right here. Okay. So now, as you can see, that the background is here as well as the second image. You can adjust this and that's it. So you can now export that when you are happy with this one. Also, you can add a video, for example, like this one, add here. So like that. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.